I've got KAZAM Tornado 350 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. At the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down and pick language and input. Here you should tap on the first icon, which is language. And now, as you can see here, you've got the list of all languages, so you should select the one that you would like to have. Let me pick, for example, Croatian. Give your device a few seconds, and as you can see from now on, your smartphone is in Croatian. If you would like to go back to the English or some other language, just select this icon with a letter, click on the first tab, and now select the language that you would like to have. So in my case, it will be English UK. And that's it. So as you can see now, it's back in English. So from now on, you can change the language whenever you want to. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.